Agarya 2025, Weavers of India, we are going to support. I am traveling everywhere, that is from east to south, south to north, and all the places I myself and plus my team also, we are going to explore ourselves to identify the villages, to support and to uplift their lifestyle and all. So I'm so glad to travel anywhere in India to find out, because as an NGO, as a Lions person, I would like to showcase all our support to the weavers, those who are literally suffering for their livelihood and their, though a lot of associations are there, now we are going through the Google everything, but it is not reaching them. That is the only concern we are having as an NGO. So we are trying to do how to implement all these things without disturbing the government rules and regulations, without disturbing anybody, and as much as possible. Now central government has introduced the solar system, that is Surya Ghar Yojana project. Through this, how much we can light a village, that is United Nations project also is light a village. So already we have done it in Coimbatore, one of the villages in tribal village. So this time we wanted to showcase as much as possible. We wanted to implement such a solar system, and their medical issues, and their fiber, buying the fiber is again is issue for the weavers. So try to get them at the cheaper cost through our influence. We are trying to do the MOU with some of the mills, so that these people will be getting the yarn at the cheaper cost, so that they can, how much we can improve their skills. Because making for one cotton sari, what I am wearing it today, this why I am wearing this one, it looks like a silk sari, but to the artisans showing their capability on this, to make this one, it takes 5 to 7 days. It is not a joke. And it is 5 to 7 days in the sense, more than 6,580 times they have to press their looms. Then only we are able to wear such a sari. Imagine. So even for making cotton sari is such a efforts they are putting it, in the sense, first of all, their health should be very much to be improved. We are concerned with that. And then second one, even for making the silk saris and other things, again it 3 times or 4 times they have to press the looms. Though power looms has come, we are not bothered about that. Only hand looms, they are doing it. For sitting, a woman sitting more than 8 to 12 hours without even drinking a water, or without even taking a break. Because once the artisans get into such a designs, they are simply involved themselves in that. How much the efforts has been put behind such a beautiful sari. Today I am wearing it with a lot of pride. I say that, oh, green with the red border sari is very nice, and I got it from this place and I'm sourcing it, I'm manufacturing it. But artisan who is behind the scene to be taken care of, that is the important thing for the entire motto of this Agarya 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video.